How to change photo size in Lensa. Let's dive into how to change the photo size in Lensa, a fantastic app for all the photo editing needs. First things first, let's open the app. Once you're inside it, you will land on the home screen where you will see all your recent photos that you have edited or that you have imported earlier. Choose the photo that you want to edit by simply tapping on it. For example, I want to change the size of a photo of this one right over here. Let's tap on it. Once your photo is loaded, you will see various editing options at the bottom. From the options, simply tap on this crop tool, tap on it, and now here's where the fun begins. You will notice the outline boxes appear just at this side. If you prefer a specific ratio like square or 16:9, check out the option displayed at the bottom. You can see it right over here. You can just change it according to your need. What's really neat is that you can zoom in and out while cropping by using your two fingers. Try it out. I just love this much, and so this is the size that I want. And once you are happy with the size, don't forget to tap on done. That is the tick mark which is right over here on the bottom right corner. Simply tap on it, and this will save your changes. And there you go. Easy, right? Now your photo is perfectly sized for whatever you have in mind. Feel free to explore all the features in Lensa to enhance your images even more. And lastly, don't forget to save your photo that you had just edited. That's all for today's video. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.